Our try is not identical, but just a little bit different. But it's a deeper understanding of what we're looking for. Okay, what is your ratio of strawberries to orange? So you just list. Again, I would just go ahead and I'd write strawberries over oranges. I'd make sure I know which I have. You always put them in the order you read them. So strawberry was listed first, orange is second. So you put them in that order. So we have 4 strawberries to 2 oranges. So I'm using the colon. Could have been a fraction bar. Could have been the word 2. But then can I reduce that? So I can reduce that to 2 to 1. For every 2 strawberries I get, so if I reduce this down, for every 2 strawberries I have, I'm going to have 1 orange. Okay, can you give me the ratio of oranges to fruits? So how many oranges do you see? 2 fruits. How many fruits do you see altogether? 6. Okay, this I could also write as a fraction, 2 over 6. So can you reduce that fraction? Hopefully you all are saying to me, yes, I can reduce that to 1 over 3. Okay, so ratios can be represented 2 ways. We have a part-to-part ratio. So I'm going to take part of the population, the strawberries, and compare it to the other population, the oranges. Or I can have a part to total ratio. So I'm taking a part, like the strawberries, and comparing it to the whole total. And those are 2 different types of ratios you may see. So again, it's all about reading carefully. If I didn't stumble over the words, if you read oranges to fruits, you're just reading carefully enough, you're going to get all the right numbers in the right places. Okay, so they're going to give you information on this one, and then you got to do answer question A and B. Mo has 7 sports video games, 3 racing video games, and 8 action video games. Ratio of sports to racing games. So how many sports games? 7. Put in the word 2. How many racing games? So there are 3 racing games. So that's your ratio, 7 to 3, or 7 to 3, or 7 to 3. Okay? Now go to ratios of action games. So we have the ratio of action games, and there are 8 action games, to the racing games, and we go back to the racing games is 3. So it's an 8 to 3 ratio, or an 8 to colon 3, or an 8 fraction 3. You all need to be able to write ratios in all 3 ways.